Dassault SystÃ Euronext Paris 13065, DSY.PA ParisDSY Incorporated have announced that they have entered into a partnership to transform the cabin completion business serving commercial airlines, business aviation and VIP services, the company said. Original equipment manufacturers, OEMs and completion centers can certify and deliver customized cabin interiors at greatly reduced risk and cost, and enhance the passenger in-flight experience for a competitive edge. The partnership leverages two of Dassault SystÄ industry solution experiences based on the 3D DSY.PA platform, passenger experience covering processes from initial customer interaction through design validation and verification, and on to marketing and sales, and license to fly, to accelerate the certification process, along with SY's expertise in delivering certification content and services for cabin design and development projects. The combined offering automates engineering, manufacturing and certification processes, from idea to delivery, while providing high-end visual assets for personalization and use by engineering, sales, marketing and training teams. This helps reduce the risk of surprise audits and costly mistakes discovered during production or delivery, aligns the sales process with customer expectations for the final product, and secures buy-in from airlines, private aircraft owners, and passengers. SY, headquartered in Los Angeles, California with offices in Seattle, Washington and Madrid, Spain, provides design engineering, analysis, FAA certification, and program management services to the aviation industry. In addition to work in new and reconfigured cabin interiors, SY performs work on special projects such as the Orbis Flying Eye Hospital, flying test beds, and a wide range of projects related to major aircraft modifications including cargo conversions, SATCOM antenna, auxiliary fuel tanks, and security system installations designed for VIP, commercial, government and military aircraft. For more information, visit www.syinc.com. Dassault SystÄ the 3D DSY.PA company, provides business and people with virtual universes to imagine sustainable innovations. Its world-leading solutions transform the way products are designed, produced, and supported. Dassault SystÄ collaborative solutions foster social innovation, expanding possibilities for the virtual world to improve the real world. The group brings value to over 220,000 customers of all sizes, in all industries, in more than 140 countries. For more information, visit www.3ds.com. Related articles.